Ugh, I hate the end of the month. I feel like my bank account is mocking me.
Financial stress again. Let me guess. You're not a royal prince or a preschooler, are you?
No. Just an adult with bills.
Then it's normal. Most people feel like there's never quite enough to go around, but I have a solution, and it's right in your wallet. Pull out a $1 bill.
Is George Washington gonna pay my rent? I don't think he has enough.
No, but he's going to teach you. Before being president, Washington commanded a ragtag army. He never had enough soldiers, but he beat the greatest fighting force in the world.
And what does that have to do with my credit card debt?
Everything. You need to become the General Washington of your finances. Every bill you have is a soldier in your army, and your battle plan is a budget.
Oh, you said the B word, budget. Makes me want to go AWOL.
I know only 32% of people keep a budget. But Leo, would you follow a general who was making it up as he went along under fire?
Good point. We'd be toast. But how do I plan if I don't know my bonus for next month?
Rookie mistake. Don't budget with predictions or future money. A general doesn't give orders to ghost soldiers. You only command the soldiers you currently have in the bank today.
Okay, I have 2,000 soldiers ready for battle. What do I do with them?
You assign them missions in 5 divisions, print your last 3 bank statements, and categorize 1, essentials, survival mode, rent, groceries, lights, gas.
Is Netflix essential for my survival against boredom?
No, that comes later. 2, security, financial stability, paying off debts, or building emergency funds. Note, if you buy groceries on credit, that's essential, not security. Floors. Big dreams, buying a house, starting a business, or that vacation.
My cat sock empire. Noted.
4, lifestyle, your social world, gifts, gym, clothes, and yes, your cat's needs. 5, discretionary, here we go. This is treat yourself money, dining out, video games, massages.
All right, troops are separated. I have a few leftover soldiers with no job. Should I let them rest?
Never. Idle money is money that disappears. Give them a mission. Emergency fund or Hawaii trip. If the savings have a name, it's harder to steal from yourself.
Private Jefferson, your mission is to get me to the beach. I like it.
Congrats, General, you made your first budget. Now the 3 golden rules to make it stick. 1, write it down. App, spreadsheet, or paper. Don't trust your brain. 2, update it. The battlefield changes every month. 3, use tech. Budgeting apps make this automatic.
So now I'll know instantly if I can afford that limited edition vinyl without crying later.
Exactly. The point isn't to magically have more money. I big craw. It's to have control, to be happier with what you have and sleep better.
You know what? My soldiers and I are ready. Charge.
See you in the next video.